Alright, this is Jill's new best friend, Crimson.
Hi. Hi.
How's it going, Crimson?
Good.
How's the car show?
Good.
Are there any nice cars here?
Yes.
Where?
Right there.
What kind of car is it?
I think it's a Falcon.
Alright. Are there any nice cars here?
No.
See you later, Crimson. We're out of here.
What?
Why? Because you're boring.
No, I'm not.
Bye. Alright, let's look at this row.
Row number 2.
Row number 2.
It's coming up. And make sure to get this Foxy right here.
Right there?
Yeah, it's for
All
the Lucky Box shop.
Which car do you like the best so far?
I saw a convertible is red.
This is a blue convertible. This is a Lincoln.
Oh, it's different than any convertible I ever saw.
He had someone open for him that I'd never heard of before.
Opposite way.
What about this little dinky Rambler? You like Ramblers?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The only 2 cars I know is a Falcon and a convertible.
A convertible?
So both of those, Falcon and convertible.
Oh, those are the best cars?
Yeah. This is a convertible.
You like that one?
Yeah. If we just painted it kind of purple, I would like it.
there. She'll watch this.
Hi there.
Alice, this is your friend. He wants
Ryan
to know where the
Miller.
hell you are.
Charlie's son. Hi.
Do you like Pintos?
Acceptable, right? Where's the hood? Is it
It's a
gone?
hot rod. You don't have a hood on a hot rod. It's made to go fast. The hood just wastes the time. I had one of these. You had to start it with a bolt because I broke the key switch. I gave it to my sister. She ran it out. It used more oil than gas.
Bluey.
I like it though. It's a Maverick. You like this blue one?
Good girl.
Why do you like the blue one?
Because it's like out of the car, like right on the back is like a bunch of seats, like I like.
Oh, you like a bunch of seats?
Yeah, in the back.
This guy said he doesn't like passengers though.
Well, I take you for a ride, but most people I don't take. She's thinking.
16. Look how high that motor sits in that car.
Put my head in there.
It'll suck you right up and you'll be gone forever.
It's a nice car.
Thank you.
How long have you had it?
10 years. Buddy. I picked it up.
Liar.
My first
Yep,
car
I'm a
was
liar.
in
Someone has a toy in there.
Oh, let's go take a look. Yeah, they got a Frisbee.
Steal it.
They got some Volkswagen Beetles.
Could you steal it?
No, you can't steal it.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. Come on. Is this your Fairlane?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Got a couple of quick announcements to make.
Me and my wife have a YouTube channel, and we walk around.
In
And
about
she always
an
picks her
hour,
favorite car. That's her
will be your
green
last
Fairlane
call.
over there on
We'll turn in
Arrow.
your
Oh, okay.
ballot sheets.
And she always has me do a 360
And also
video
the
of
raffles. So
her
if you
favorite
have not
Ford.
got any raffle
And she chose
tickets
your
or you've
car.
not done your
Sweet.
Could you tell us something about it?
She's all original. She's got a 260 cubic inch engine. She won a car show last year in Smithville for me. I got People's Choice with her, and I've had her for 9 long years.
At the Nazarene Church on
Interesting.
And she's got a name. Her name is Sheila.
There will be
Oh.
prizes, food, indoor restrooms. I'd love to have you come and attend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So this is Sheila the Fairlane.
Once again, thank you.